in August, when I really started, I had been studying crypto and NFTs before, but finally in August was the time where I'm like, I'm all in. And literally I was falling asleep watching crypto and NFTs and waking up and hitting play again because, I was so into it. I literally put in probably 80 hours of studying in a 40-hour work week once, did the very first week I was in, just because I couldn't get enough of it. But the funny thing is it ran out real quick. There's not a lot of info out there once you get to a certain level.
I see what you're saying. Your runway just basically ended and nobody. Yeah. I mean, you've got, but that guy, you got like Alex Becker, he's all crypto and he's gaming crypto and all that kind of stuff. But you're right. It kind of in the gaming group kind of ends with him in a way.
Yeah, and Alex is amazing. He is a freaking, him and Elio Trades are geniuses. But here's the thing too, even if you follow Alex to a T, he's not telling you how to launch an NFT. You've got to first dissect all of his clues to figure out what the game he's even got going on that is making a ton of money. It's amazing. And like, you're not going to figure out how you're not, and plus the way he did it is very unique and amazing. But that's the thing. So we've had what I call launch and learn, where you're going out there and failing and learning quickly about it. Like, there are certain things that now make only sense since I know about it. But when we first launched the first one, I didn't know that there was agencies that you can go out there and have your actual NFT contract certified, blah, blah, so it was, every code of it was legit. I didn't know that was a thing. You know what I mean? Sure. Now that I hear about it, it makes total sense and we'll use it, but didn't know about it. Just little things, you know what I mean? Like until
that's even a small community, right? That locked that in. And then now you got to figure out who that is. So there's going to be a silver lining. There's going to be kind of I guess what you're saying is kind of like a gold standard, but that gold standard hasn't even been fully completed is what I think.
Not even close.
You're having right now.
No, because here's the thing too, we're developing stuff all the time. Like the launch have a launch coming up here at the end of February. We're going to have for at least as of right now, it's never been done. We're going to have the first ever affiliate platform where you'll be able to sign up as an affiliate. You'll be issued an NFT that's part of the launch. Anyone that signs up underneath your link will be attached to that NFT. And when you get, when they mint and when on the secondary market that NFT sales, you'll instantly get paid out via the blockchain as soon as that happens. So there is no waiting 30 days or, I didn't pay it or anything. As soon as anything happened, it instantly happens. And here's the other cool thing is every person attached to that NFT is your own private affiliate list that you can sell to someone else for that NFT if they want it.